y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogtober day 7. This is the last and final video of Vlogtober. Today's video is going to be a DIY photo shoot and the theme is going to be jigsaw. Here is some inspiration that I decided to go with. I never find inspiration for like one picture. I normally find multiple pictures and I want to smash them together.
It is the night before my jigsaw shoot, and when I tell y'all I am exhausted. I'm about to set up my school picture backdrop and set up all my stuff. So I will not have a whole lot to do tomorrow. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. At this point, I was so tired and so exhausted, but like the show must go on. I just want to thank y'all so much for being with me on this Vlogtober journey, for supporting me and going along with my antics, because this is just so fun. But you saw in the clip before that I put my backdrops in the dryer and I'm setting up my school yearbook picture backdrop. So if you're just now joining me, this whole concept that I'm doing, I'm gonna do a kind of like a senior heads inspired picture, which is a headshot, and then I'm gonna do the regular theme. So it's about 9:21 and I have my school picture backdrop set up, LED light, both of my backdrop set up. I'm going to elaborate on that later on in the video. In the intro of the video, of course, I'm going to have the checkerboard floor, which I found on Pinterest, and the iconic tricycle, which I'm not gonna bring this tricycle in my room. I do not have a whole lot of props this time. Attention is gonna be on me and me only. Here's my checkerboard backdrop. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, it's honestly giving tablecloth. The main props are me and the tricycle, if we being completely honest. Like, here's the fit. So of course we have the iconic blazer that Mr. Saw wears. I got this blazer off of Shein. I had to do something a little bit extra. It's got like gold buttons, gold details, pockets and stuff. And honestly, I'm gonna keep this to wear like later on because it is a pretty good jacket. And of course I got it from Shein, so it's got a hole in it, but I can sew. We have the iconic red bow tie, and I already got my shirt on because I'm about to start on my makeup. And I have my black biker shorts. This blazer actually came with some shorts. Like, it was a shorts set, like a blazer short set, but the shorts were too little. So I have these red shoes. Look, they're already shedding. So I have these shoes for my 21st birthday photo shoot that I wore, and I still have them, and I'm about to start on my hair and makeup. I'm really scared of what's about to come out of this bonnet, if we being for real, cause the style that I'm going with is going to just be two regular puffs. Look at this. I should go ahead and like define my part first. This is what side number 1 looks like after I picked it out a little bit. Oh my gosh, there's all kinds of like lint in my hair. Clearly tell the difference of me just like stretching it out with the blow dryer. My hair is stretched out on both sides. For my gel, for my product that I'm gonna use to slick this back, is this Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus styling defining gel. This is the hair paint that I bought from Walmart. I mean, my hair looks good though. I decided to do the smart thing and put something on top of my white shirt. My brows today, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Lock-On Liner in the shade Espresso. For this jigsaw photo shoot, I'm gonna put my own spin on things like I do all the time. So I'm gonna put like pictures up here so y'all can see what I'm talking about. I mean, instead of doing black eyeshadow like everybody else does, I'm gonna do red. Like I'm gonna switch it basically. I'm gonna do red eyeshadow and a black lip. For one, I don't want to be like everybody else. Two, it's because I already have
two of my photo shoots, 2 character renditions of myself that already have red eyeshadows. I don't want them to become redundant. My eyelid is just strictly gonna be red. I'm gonna use this Maybelline matte lipstick, and I'm going to use this this eyeshadow from Amazon. For my foundation, of course, I'm using the same thing. The same thing. If y'all don't know what foundation I'm using by now, you have not been paying attention. Add my swirls now, which I'm a little bit anxious. Okay, let's see what everybody else's looks like. So both these sides look absolutely horrendous. So I'm just gonna take my makeup off and redo it. Dust yourself off and try again. Dust yourself off and try again. I'm gonna just have to go slow. I don't know where I get all this confidence to where I feel like I can just like do something on the first try, which normally I can. I look so bad. Okay, this side looks better than this side. I'm gonna wipe it off and do it again. I'm gonna take some lip gloss. Ooh, this is probably too much. I'm gonna scrape this eyeshadow into the little eyeshadow. This reminds me of my very first YouTube video when I was making the glitter gloss. Ooh, she's midnight black. I have successfully put my makeup on without getting anything on my clothes, so that's good. But I'm gonna take these out, put them in, put my clothes on, then I'm gonna show y'all the fit. I feel like this would look 10 times better if I had, like, if I actually had the shorts to go with it, but who cares? I look fire. But I got the red contacts in, and naturally I can't see, so we are just gonna have to wing it and post blind. So okay, so when I was explaining my props, I said that I was not about to bring this tricycle in my room. So here is my tricycle. So I got this off of Facebook Marketplace for like $20-something because I wasn't about to buy nothing. And honestly, this like this goes with the entire theme because first of all, it's retro, and 2, like, you see all like the little scratches and stuff, and it's just it's all beat up. And honestly, I was gonna be a DIY girly and kind of like try to paint it and put a gloss on it, but it's freaking Jigsaw. Like, Jigsaw is not gonna have a clean, beautiful, and new tricycle. Like, Jigsaw's tricycle is beat up. So after hair and makeup, I went ahead and I started shoot number 1, which is my school yearbook headshots. So pretty much that's how my pictures turned out. I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of hard because of course I had on those same red contacts that I had for my vampire prom queen shoot, and I could not see. And y'all saw that I was kind of trying to do the like creepy Jigsaw smile, but I ended up not going with it because I didn't like how it looked. But now I'm setting up backdrop number 2 and making sure to smooth everything out because I'm gonna put the checkerboard backdrop on the floor. And honestly, like, it's giving tablecloth. Like, I said it before, but like, you can really tell, like, look at it, it just looks so weak.
So here is the set that I have built. First of all, this right here, there's nothing wrong with it. I just wish it was just a tad bit bigger. Like, I feel like when I go into Pixar to edit, I might have to like draw little bitty squares so I could like cover the area. But I feel like this is enough to do what I needed to do. But like, I just wish it was just a little bit bigger. But I got my white backdrop up per usual. Everything's out. I'm gonna set my lights up, see what I need to fix and where I need to fix it, take my pictures and be done. So I labeled this section attempt number 1 because in all honesty, this was hard. Like, first of all, like I said, I couldn't see. I had on those red contacts. I could kind of see the red ring in my contacts. I had on 5-inch heels and I was posing on a child's toy, but I still got the pictures. So when I tell y'all that I am struggling, I'm struggling right now. Let me turn this freaking air on. Because not only am I struggling, but I'm burning up. Like, I'm so hot. But I'm determined to get these pictures because I know that if I get the right pose, then it's going to hit for real. The fuck? Thought I heard something. Anyway. So yeah, like I said, that's my setup. And I enjoy being thick, but like, I'm thick. But like, if a skinny girl was doing this, she wouldn't have no problem doing it. But because this tricycle, like, if I was the same height, but I was like not thick, I would be able to just like hop on the tricycle. But because I am well endowed back there, because I got junk in the trunk, it's kind of hard for me to like move around. Like in the clip before, you probably saw that it was very, very uncomfortable for me to like get and stay on the tricycle, because like there are some poses that I liked. Let me move this angle. Like, there were some poses that I liked, but I feel like I was just not executing them correctly. And because for one, I can't see. 2, I have on 5-inch heels. And 3, I'm trying to pose on a child's tricycle. It's a little bit difficult. But like I said, I know that when I get, I should have known this was gonna bleed his lip gloss, but I know that when I get that angle and I get that pose, I know that it's really gonna hit. So I just gotta keep working with it. Just gotta keep working at it. This is the very last shoot, and of course I gotta eat. Like, can't leave no crumbs. So I'ma try it again. It's literally almost hitting like 12 o'clock, so I got time. And like I said, like I keep saying, I'm finna just keep on working at it. I'm finna just keep on working with it. And here is attempt number 2. So I kind of slowed this one down a little bit so y'all can see my thought process, like my active thought process that was going on when I was trying to pose on this tricycle. So I was trying to give myself kind of like a starting point and try to like build from there. So like I would put my knee on the back of it and then I would like sit on the top, but I still got them. So now I am editing, and this is the shot that I ended up with, and I must say, like, I really did that. Like, I showed out for the last day of Vlogtober, even though I was tired and I didn't want to do it, and I was contemplating on just doing like 4 pictures, but I couldn't not do it. So As always, I use PixArt to retouch my pictures, and I'm just smoothing out my legs, smoothing out my face, and making sure that my makeup looks even more seamless than it already does IRL. And in one of my pictures, I actually colored in my toenails, because I had on shoes to wear my toes are out. So I wasn't about to have this fire picture and not have my toes done. So I went in and did it in post. And I also used the draw tool and kind of added some more red to my hair just to make it look better, because with the hair paint, I'm not gonna lie, the hair paint, it was so hard to get more on there, and I wasn't gonna try to put myself in an early grave trying to inhale any toxins. But you can see that I'm adding more to my eyeshadow, adding just a little bit more to the swirls on my face, just making the pictures look better. Y'all know that I do not go in and retouch my physical body, more of retouching small things here and there to improve my pictures. So I went in and I did a filter on PixArt because I just felt like I needed to have some type of filter. With jigsaw, it's not very bright. So this is how my pictures turned out. So I just want to thank y'all so much for watching all of the videos that I've put out so far, and really just supporting me and all of my antics and the things that I decide to do with my content. This is just so fun, bringing my ideas to life, and I really like sharing them with you and sharing the behind the scenes with y'all. So if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.